Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down some big updates coming to Xbox Game Pass. And trust me, this is about making the service simpler, clearer and better for players. So what's actually changing? Xbox is upgrading the Game Pass lineup with 3 refreshed tiers. Think of it as a cleaner, more modern version of what you already know. Here's the new structure. Game Pass Core is evolving into Game Pass Essential. Game Pass Standard is becoming Game Pass Premium, and Game Pass Ultimate is staying exactly what it is. It's the full Xbox experience you already know. So what's new across Game Pass? The good news is Game Pass is getting better across the board. Cloud gaming is expanding, giving more subscribers access to streaming wherever cloud gaming is available. And both Essential and Premium now include PC versions of games alongside the console versions, so players can jump between platforms more easily. So what about PC Game Pass? For anybody wondering, yes, PC Game Pass is still available as its own standalone subscription. It continues to offer the full PC library, EA Play and Day 1 titles, just like before. Nothing is being removed or replaced. On the 15th of January is when the rollout really begins. Although these have already changed online, retail partners will start offering the new Game Pass Premium digital codes. That's the updated version of Game Pass Standard. You'll also see updated pricing coming into effect, and physical Game Pass cards will start being phased out. They'll be removed from stores by the 31st of March, and here's the important part. If you've already bought a physical card or token, don't worry, you can still redeem it after April. But after the 1st of April, stores won't be able to activate or sell new physical Game Pass codes. Any attempt to sell new ones will fail. Xbox Game Pass Essentials will give you access to 50 plus games, including games like Halo 5 Guardians, Grounded, Gears 5, Fallout 4, and Power Wash Simulator, to name a few. This gives you access to these games on Xbox console, PC, and supported devices, including online console multiplayer, in-game benefits, and you can earn up to 25,000 reward points with in-store rewards. Game Pass Premium gives you access to 200 plus games on Xbox console, PC, and supported devices. You get the newest Xbox games published within 12 months of launch. You can stream games with shorter wait times. You get in-game benefits, online console multiplayer, and you can earn up to 50,000 reward points with in-store rewards. Game Pass Ultimate will give you access to 400 plus games on Xbox console, PC, and supported devices. You'll get access to new games on the day of release, including games from Xbox Studios and third-party developers. It includes EA Play, Ubisoft Plus Classics, and Fortnite Crew. You get in-game benefits for games like Call of Duty Warzone and League of Legends. This is the tier that also gives you the shortest wait time for streaming games, and you can earn up to 100,000 reward points in a year with in-store rewards. These changes are all about making Game Pass more flexible, more accessible, and more aligned with how players actually play today, across console, PC, and the cloud. So whether you're jumping into Essential, stepping into Premium, staying with Ultimate, or sticking with PC Game Pass, the future of Game Pass is looking seriously exciting. Now, if you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and drop your questions in the comments. And I will see you soon for more content like this. Ciao.